Now people ask me, what maintenance is involved when I buy a water system from you guys? Let's start with a sediment filter. Basically, and I ask people, when do you know to change the sediment filter? And they say, well, you know, I kind of forget about it. And when the pressure starts to drop, I know it's time to change the filter. So basically the kit comes with a wrench. The wrench goes on, you take it off. After you shut the water off, you take the sump off, discard the old filter, add a new filter, put the sump back on, and slowly repressurize the tank. Now, as far as maintenance on the 2510 AIO iron filter, there's no annual maintenance, and every 6 to 8 years based on water usage, you're going to clean out the tank, discard the old Katalox, add the new Katalox, and get it ready for another 6 to 8 years of operation. As far as maintenance on the acid neutralizer, and this is really simple, there's no drain for backwash, there's no electronic valve, so you don't have to worry about any maintenance on that or parts replacement on that as well. Basically, this is a semi-translucent tank, and you can turn the light out in the room, shine a bright mag light behind it, and see where the level is. And when you get about halfway down, the calcite level is about halfway down, it's usually time to add a bag, maybe a bag and a half, and you want to keep it about 10 to 12 inches from the fill port. And basically, when you service it, you shut the water off, open a cold water faucet to relieve the pressure, take the cap off. We include this funnel. Sits right in here. It makes it easy to pour the calcite in. Super simple. As far as the water softener goes, this is about probably the least maintenance system we have. Basically, the resin inside has an infinite life. I've replaced systems and the resin was still good after 40 years. Basically, you're going to take this once every 2 months. You're going to take the lid off, add a 40-pound bag of pellets, put the lid back on, and that includes the maintenance for the water softener. As far as the carbon tank goes, the 2.5 cubic foot non-backwashing carbon tank. We use Centaur carbon made by Calgon Corporation, and it typically has a life of about 4 to 5 years. So you want to usually put a sticker on here, mark the install date, and about 4 to 5 years from then, you're going to take it outside, completely clean it out, add new carbon media, and get it ready for another 4 to 5 years of operation. As far as the UV light, it comes with an automatic counter that mounts on the wall. It's digital, and it counts backwards from 365 days. And when it gets to about 11 days out, it's going to sound off an alarm letting you know it's time to order a bulb, and the bulbs get replaced every 12 months.